Global storms linked to an exceptionally wet September. Rising temperatures on both oceans and land have contributed to more heat and moisture, intensifying storms and causing heavy rainfall across the globe. Storm Yagi devastated parts of Asia, while Storm Boris brought floods to many areas of Europe, with severe flooding in the Sahel region, and Hurricane Helene hit Florida. This has made September an extraordinarily wet month. However, while scientists can directly link some extreme weather events to human-caused global warming, it's still too early to draw conclusions about this particular stormy month, according to AFP. There have always been extreme weather events, but their intensity is being amplified by global warming, especially in terms of rainfall, said Paolo Ceppi, a researcher at the Grantham Institute at Imperial College London. That might be one of the common drivers of various events occurring in different parts of the world. Preliminary data for the month reveals record-breaking rainfall in affected areas. In Central Europe, the torrential rain accompanying Storm Boris was the most severe ever recorded in the region, flooding homes and farms, according to the World Weather Attribution (WWA) network of scientists. Global warming has doubled the likelihood of sustained heavy rain lasting 4 days compared to pre-industrial times, with climate change-related damage escalating rapidly. In Wajima, Japan, authorities reported more than 120 millimeters of rainfall per hour from Storm Yagi on the morning of September 21st, the heaviest downpour recorded since comparable data began in 1929. Attributing different weather patterns happening simultaneously around the world to climate change is very difficult, said Liz Stevens, head of the Red Crescent Climate Center. But the fundamental principle remains that for every degree Celsius of warming, the atmosphere can hold 7% more moisture. With global warming on track to surpass 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, we can quickly estimate the impact. The summer of 2024 experienced the highest global temperatures ever recorded, breaking last year's record, according to the EU's Copernicus Climate Change Service. This year's scorching summer in the Mediterranean provided more evaporated water, leading to heavier rainfall in Europe when conditions were right, concentrating all that moisture in certain areas, Ceppi explained. Unusually high global temperatures on both ocean and land surfaces in August and September, despite La Niña-like conditions in the Pacific, further fueled storm intensity, according to Roxy Matthew Cole of the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. La Niña is a natural climate phenomenon that cools ocean surface temperatures in the tropical Pacific, influencing winds, rainfall, and atmospheric pressure. In many areas, particularly the tropics, La Niña has the opposite effect of El Niño, which warms ocean surfaces, causing drought in some regions and heavy rainfall in others. Currently, a neutral phase is underway, meaning neither El Niño nor La Niña is present.